What are the trending stocks right now? Here's how you can find out which stocks are trending at the moment through the moomoo app. Market information is integrated in the Markets tab of the quotes page. Tap it to access market opportunities. The hit list allows you to track hit ranking stocks by trend, such as trade hit, search hit, and news hit. If you're interested in any item, you can tap it and add it to your watch list so that you can continue tracking this stock. The stock ranking enables you to track performance by period. You're able to choose duration, such as 5 minutes, 5 days, or even longer. If you would like to filter out specific stocks, tap the filter button on the left side and input your desired criteria. The pre and post market enables you to track the most active stocks in the pre-market and post-market trading sessions. To view more detailed information of these stocks, tap the rotation icon on the top right corner to switch to landscape mode. If you would like to track performance or get more detailed information of a given market, you can switch to another sub-tab. For example, when you tap the US sub-tab, you can check out US major indices at a glance and scroll down the page to see the best performing assets, which is sorted by ETFs, industries, exchanges, etc. Thank you for choosing moomoo.